Alright, so perfect morning po sa lahat, perfect day. So this is a tutorial about night work so we can talagang properly explain it sa kausap natin. They find the need, ibigay natin yung benefits. So this is about heart health kasi night works po ito, no? Okay. So so the heart is the organ that supplies blood, nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Yan. So, yun ang function niya, right? Okay. Tapos, we need to learn to eat healthy. And of course, in our community, natutunan po natin yan. And then we add fish oil to supplement, oil supplements to our diet, no? Okay, like our Herbalife line, for example. And we keep a healthy weight. We exercise regularly. We have to make time. Cannot say busy. When you get sick, di ka pwedeng magsabing, Doc, I'm very busy. Alright? So, exercise regularly kahit 30 minutes lang po. At kasi this one talaga improves circulation sa heart. Okay. So, heart disease remains the top cause of death in the Philippines. Okay, so yan ang mga statistics, but this is what I want to remind you. Hypertension increases the risk for stroke, heart failure, and renal failure. So the higher the blood pressure, the greater the problem, and then the more complications can happen. So heart health is important at every age. So according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, someone in America has a coronary event every 25 seconds. And alam ko in the Philippines, it's not different. Heart disease symptoms can occur at any age. And your first symptom of heart disease might be heart attack. So si Dr. Louis Agnaro, he is a Nobel Prize laureate in physiology or medicine in 1998. No, you can see ang background niya, and actually siya po ang nakadiscover ng nitric oxide compound, and he said it is the key health-giving nutrient for cardiovascular system. And with all the whatever's found in the product in the Nightworks, like it has arginine, and then it helps produce the body helps is produces nitric oxide, citrulline, and then balik ulit to produce arginine. So yung bilog na yan, that is po the walls of our arteries, no? So tawag yan endothelial walls. And so ito yung ano pa ibang ingredients. Merong vitamin C, vitamin E, L-taurine, folic acid, and lemon balm. And even alpha lipoic acid. And ito po ang functions ng kada ingredient. Okay? So I'll just maybe take a few minutes, few seconds for you to read it. Okay, so amazing. That's why you will realize it's such an amazing product. So, ang blood vessel natin ages. So, when we are young, it's very toned, it's very flexible, all right? And then, but as we age, tumitigas, nagbi-break, no, easily. And what causes the deterioration of the blood vessels? Poor eating habits, yung lifestyle, no, lack of exercise, and not getting enough nutrition. And of course, medication can also affect the condition of our arteries. So si night works, it keeps our blood vessels toned and flexible. It enhances blood flow, supporting healthy function of the heart, brain, and other organs. It supports circulatory and vascular health. It also supports healthy blood pressure levels already within a normal range. And one of its ingredients is L-arginine that will produce nitric oxide in the blood. So dito po sa left side, makita nyo how a young vessel looks like, punong-puno ng nitric oxide in the blood vessel. When it's age, because of unhealthy eating, slowly nababara po yung arteries, yung plaque po yan, no? Accumulation of fats over the years. And before a stroke, yun, makikita nyo it's already punong-puno ng plaque and very little nitric oxide. So NO or nitric oxide production inside the body is the key for youthful blood circulation. NO is produced at the inner layer of the blood vessels. NO relaxes and widens the blood vessels for better circulation. NO is easily destroyed by free radicals. Siyempre, we cannot avoid stress, right? But we can manage it, learn to manage it. And as we age, our body's production of NO decreases. Tandaan, as we age, our body's production of NO decreases. And isa pa po, at the end of the day, our NO production also decreases. Kaya marami pong heart attack uh, or stroke nangyayari uh, late at night or early morning. Okay, and number 5 po, poor nutrition and unhealthy lifestyle can aggravate the aging of the blood vessels. So ito po ang blood vessel natin and it is ang NO is very unstable kasi depende nga sa lifestyle natin, kinakain natin. And so uh, L-arginine, which is found in our night works, okay, helps the body produce more NO, and in turn, nagre-recycle kasi si L-arginine also produces L-citrulline. And then L-citrulline will also produce more L-arginine. And so, cycle siya na continuous talaga yung uh, enough supply mo ng NO sa blood vessels. And eto, when we are especially when where we're under stress, oxidative stress or free radicals are found in the blood. So paano natin to ma-protect? Ito po, the alpha lipoic acid, vitamin C and vitamin E, lahat yan ay mga antioxidants, no? They're the ones that really help us get rid of oxidative stress or free radicals sa ating blood vessels. So alpha lipoic acid will produce the antioxidants vitamin C, vitamin E, 'di ba? Galing. Tapos yun, so it gets rid of our oxidative stress in the blood. So nitric oxide's main job is to deliver messages between body cells. It also plays a key role in controlling the circulation of blood, regulating activities of our brain, our lungs, our liver, kidney, stomach, and other organs. But from muscle building perspective, no NO affects the release of hormones and adrenaline. Okay. So for athletes, it's also said to speed growth recovery time as well as increase blood flow, thus delivering more nutrients to the muscles, helping them grow. And many athletes take NO supplements or nitric oxide supplements because they believe they make them work out harder and far longer. Okay, so who needs night works? Men and women in their 30s and above, young individuals who wish to preserve their youthful health, anybody who enjoys sports or daily workouts. Yan. Okay. So, yun po. So, this ends my sharing about the value and benefits po of night works. So, we continue to share. Pag nasa nutrition club po tayo, pwede po itong scoop by scoop ang charging at pag sell sa nutrition club. Anything na powder, pwede pong tingi-tingi sa nutrition club. With that, God bless po. Yan.